Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week was very special to me. From attending my first ever YouTube creator event at the Google office in Gurugram to witnessing my first ever billboard and visiting Kenchi Dham. Everything felt surreal. So let me take you through the entire journey. So it all started with a super early morning, getting ready and heading straight to the Bhubaneswar airport.
Shall be commencing our refreshment service shortly. Please be careful when the meal cart is passing through the
Flight mein, I got a pure veg Jain meal which had paneer kathi roll and dessert, and honestly, it was so tasty. I reached Delhi at 11:50 am. Airport से ही I quickly changed into my event outfit. Then I took a cab to the Google office Gurugram. Entered the building and stood in the queue for my name token. The energy inside was amazing. They had food counters too. I also spotted Tena and Payal Jain. They were so sweet and it was lovely meeting them. The event started with a short content strategy session, lots of insights and learnings.
कंटेंट आप रोज रोज नहीं बना सकते. हीरो कंटेंट इज समथिंग दैट विल आस्क अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स, टाइम. As you can see, so handing over.
Excited to be your host. Mona was right. Love it.
And then came my favorite part. Michael Rosenberg, also known as Passenger, performed live. Hearing Let It Go so close, honestly magical.
This is my first time playing any music in India. Million views. I don't know even what it's up to anymore.
Wow!
No, not quite gazillion, but it's got a few billion, and I never
Few
ever.
billion, he's saying.
Met so many creators, interacted, learned, and felt genuinely inspired. Around 4:30 pm, I left the Google office. Then I took an auto to the DLF Cyber Hub to see something very special. My first ever billboard by YouTube. At the entrance, I saw the first one, and that moment was unreal. Walking inside, I spotted another one. This, being my first ever billboard, made it extremely special. I felt grateful, overwhelmed, and honestly, just proud of how far this journey has come. Thank you to everyone, and my mom especially, who made this possible. Then I had idli sambar at Haldiram's. Loved it. Then I took the metro to Kashmiri Gate. I reached around 9:45 am. and booked my bus to Kenchi Dham through Zing bus, and the ticket cost was around 650 rupees. I boarded the bus at 11 am. From Kathgodam, I took the taxi included in the package to Kenchi Dham, but since my stay was at Rati Ghat, which is about 5 km away from Kenchi Dham, the driver charged 300 rupees extra. The location was honestly beyond beautiful. Got freshened up and had breakfast, puri bhaji. It was so yum, and with that view, perfect start to the morning. Then I got ready for darshan. I took a local bus to Kenchi Dham. Ticket was around 15 rupees. Did the darshan of Nip Karori Baba. I always wanted to visit this place, and being there felt very calming and special. Returned by bus again. This time the ticket was 20 rupees. Back at the stay, I had lunch in the lawn of my cottage. Dal makhani with roti, simple and delicious. Then I walked around the river nearby. It was dried up at the moment, but the whole vibe was still very peaceful. Then I returned to the cottage and it was beautifully lit up. Such a serene moment. Dinner में I ordered kumaoni chicken with rice. Love the flavor. थोड़ा spicy था, but gravy was amazing. Next day, the taxi came around 7:30 am. We had a 30-minute breakfast halt. I had Maggie again and a coffee. Reached Delhi in the evening and took a cab to Mahipalpur since I had a flight the next day. Freshened up and went to Sarojini Nagar, picked up a few things. Dinner was chole bhature at Haldiram's. Next day I boarded my 7:15 am flight and reached Kolkata. From there I had a train to Bhubaneswar. And that's it for this vlog. It was long, beautiful and memorable journey from my first ever YouTube creator event to darshan at Kenchi Dham and exploring the hills. Thank you for watching and see you in the next vlog. Bye.